Good morning, good evening, afternoon, or good night. It's me, Jovian, and today we're gonna do Soredemo Ayumu Yosetekuru chapter 203. And from what I've heard, it's a cute chapter, and that's all I know. And that is, it's a cute chapter. So let's just dive on in, shall we? Because I was kind of spoiled. Chapter 203, the 23rd move of the Soredemo Ayumu Yosetekuru manga. Let's dive on in, shall we? Well, so they're talking about Shogi like usual, but I don't know what's gonna be different this time. So basically, the original gets by the video at Shogi driving you right. Oh, that cute fasted face. Oh, Ayumu's childhood photos. Urushi's even cuter. She was distracted. Oh, it's Takeru. And then, oh. Rather than cute, I would say it's adorable. Chibi Ayumu. Absolutely no clue. Ayumu thinking differently. Memory is the source of Shogi's strength. Oh, just basic ads. Rather than cute, I would say it's adorable. It's nice seeing young Ayumu for once because I knew people are gonna want it. Even I want to see it just for the curiosity side of things. But some people want it for the same reason plus more. So that's it for me today. See you on the next episode. Love ya.